This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening services with Win+R, typing services, MSC, and pressing Enter. Find Windows Update, right-click, stop, then set Startup Type to Disabled so it won't restart after reboot. Also open Settings, go to Windows Update, pause updates, and turn off Delivery Optimization under Advanced Options. Once done, make sure you have admin rights. This prevents automated restart. These steps halt the update engine immediately and create a stable base for the deeper changes that follow. Next, you change policy and registry settings to make the stop persistent. Open Gpedit. MSC, navigate to Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow Windows Components, right arrow Windows Update, then enable the policy named Configure Automatic Updates and set it to Disabled. If Gpedit is unavailable, open Regedit and create or modify No Auto Update with Value 1 under HKLM/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows. Finish by locking down update components and creating recovery options. You can revoke write permissions on key update files like Wuang. DLL to stop reinstalls, but first create a system restore point and back up the registry. Safety matters. Document the manual update process so you can update on your schedule. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode, re-enable the Windows Update service, or restore the registry from your backup. One troubleshooting tip. If policies seem ignored, run gpupdate/force and reboot to reapply settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.